You know, most people think of parsley as that sad little sprig left untouched on the side of their plate. But Italian parsley? Oh, that's a whole different story. Today I'm diving into whether Italian parsley is really as good for eating and cooking as everyone says, or if there's a catch you should know about. So first things first, what even is Italian parsley? Unlike the frilly, curly stuff, Italian parsley has flat, broad leaves and a way brighter flavor. It's a must-have in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern kitchens because it makes everything taste fresher, cleaner, and honestly, a little more expensive. But here's the big question. Should you actually be using it in your food or giving it the side eye? Let's get into the good news, because there's a lot. Italian parsley is loaded, seriously loaded, with vitamins A, C, and K. It's got antioxidants that help your body kick inflammation to the curb, and it won't weigh down your meals with calories. Toss it into a salad. Awesome. Sprinkle it on soup? Even better. Whip it into a sauce or a marinade, or blend it into a green smoothie if that's your thing. It pairs perfectly with garlic, lemon, olive oil, and basically any savory recipe you love. And here's a chef's secret. Those flat leaves actually release more aroma than curly parsley, which means more flavor in every bite. But alright, what about the downsides? If you're taking blood thinners, heads up. Italian parsley is high in vitamin K, which can mess with your meds. The fix? Keep your intake steady and talk with your doc. Also, don't go dumping in handfuls. Too much parsley can totally take over a dish, and nobody wants to chew on a salad that tastes like a garden. For anyone pregnant, normal food amounts are totally fine. Just steer clear of mega-concentrated extracts or oils. So, is Italian parsley actually good for eating and cooking? The answer, absolutely yes. It's healthy, it's delicious, and it elevates almost anything you're making. Just use it with a little respect and moderation. Now I want to know, what's your go-to dish with Italian parsley? Or have you ever tried adding more and been surprised by how much it changes the flavor? Drop your favorites in the comments, and maybe you'll inspire someone to give this underrated herb the spotlight it deserves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give Italian parsley a little love next time you're in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.